So you're here to find out about CRMs, yeah? But if I'm correct, what you're really here for is a story. You may have heard or read The Tale of Oliver Twist, but I bet you've never heard it like this. Much like Hollywood, I'm going to be putting a new spin on that old tale. And I fully expect that many of you will say the book was better at the end of this. But the real goal here is for you to understand CRMs better than you did before. Enter young Fagin, a decently successful petty thief in medieval times. He has decided to take his operation to the next level. As part of that, he is implementing ODOO CRM, which we all know was around in medieval times. Fagin knows that a successful sales process takes opportunities or sales prospects through a number of stages to convert them to a sale. There will clearly be a lot of winking and air quotes in this video. Sorry if that's not your thing. Fagan's stages for successful opportunity conversion are identifying the target, building trust, creating a sense of urgency, providing information, a lot of times false information, isolating the target, exploiting their emotions, and then covering your tracks. For setting up your own CRM, you would go to Configuration, go to Stages, and you can edit these here by adding a new one. Or if you're in the middle of a process where you're looking at pipelines, we can go to My Pipeline, and we can very simply move these around in the Kanban view or add a stage like this. Your stages are likely to be a bit different, but you want them to be simple and clear. Ideally simple enough that children could follow them. Fagin is now ready to organize his sales teams. Child labor laws aren't a thing yet, and children are pretty good at exploiting and being exploited. That's Fagin's opinion, not mine. Here's the crew we've organized to work the West Gate. They all look like they're related, and for some reason, this one has a beard. We now need to organize our Westgate team. So in the lead, we have Artful Dodger as our team leader. Then we have Oliver Twist and another orphan. Fagin organizes his teams for various reasons, but the biggest reason is so that he can see how his teams are doing and where they're at in converting their opportunities to sales. If the Westgate sales team has more opportunities than they can handle, we can add a team member very simply. By going in, we can use another orphan, or we can go to new, and we're going to say, this is Sally, very medieval name. We're going to grab edit, and we're going to say, this is a picture of Sally. We're going to say Sally Q at fadenco.com. Then we're going to save and close. And now Sally is part of the team. Fast forward, it's been a few months and the system is working great. As you can see, other orphan, that's me, is doing very well at identifying targets, building trust, creating a sense of urgency, providing information, and converting all of these opportunities to sales. So things are going well for Fagin. He and his team are using the CRM in a very basic fashion, but they're using it to track opportunities as they move through to sales. But there's more that Fagin could do to help organize his team to improve their conversion of opportunities to sales. So stay tuned.